Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a time you were sleepy but had to stay awake. You should say when it happened, why you were sleepy, why you had to stay awake, and explain how you stayed awake.
Sure, I'd be happy to describe a time when I was sleepy but had to stay awake. It happened during my final exams in college. I had stayed up late the night before studying for one of my exams, and as a result, I had only gotten a few hours of sleep. When I arrived at the exam hall, I was feeling extremely sleepy and could barely keep my eyes open. However, I knew that I had to stay awake and alert if I wanted to do well on my exam. I had studied for weeks leading up to this moment, and I didn't want all of my hard work to go to waste. The exam was 3 hours long, and I knew that I needed to find ways to keep myself awake during that time. One of the things I did was to keep moving around. I would stand up and stretch every once in a while to keep my blood flowing and my body awake. I also drank a lot of water to keep myself hydrated, which helped me stay alert. Additionally, I tried to stay engaged with the exam questions by reading each question carefully and taking my time to answer them. This kept my mind active and prevented me from feeling too sleepy. Overall, although it was a challenging experience, I was able to stay awake during my exam and perform well. It taught me the importance of taking care of my health and getting enough sleep, especially during stressful times like final exams. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.